Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be finally addressing that water leak issue I had last winter. If you remember, I showed a clip. I had water in the boot, all under the back seats and everywhere else. It was just a complete mess. So today I'm finally, before the winter kicks in of this year, going to address that problem and sort it out. So let's flip the camera and get the video done, but before I do, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. So let's get this job done. Let's go. Okay, so we're now on the passenger side of this loom on the boot lid. So you can see just here, it comes down into the actual bodywork. This is where all the wires will be for your lights. As you can see, it's built up a load of crust and mess around there. So let me just clear some of this out of the way as best as I can. And all you do is the rubber cover, you can just pop it off. It's on there tight, but it does come off. And there's the wires. Looks like there's water in there. So yeah, I definitely believe that's the cause of this problem. Then you take this plastic piece out. There's 4 clips either side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So using a flathead screwdriver, I'm going to very carefully, if I can move some of the wiring. This is one of them jobs with the camera in the face, it's not too easy to show some bits. But let me get this bit out and then I'll show you the little tabs. In fact, I could pull this panel down here on the rear quarter light to help push it from underneath as you're doing it. I don't know how well this is fiddly as hell, but just here you can see that little tab just there. There's 4 like that, and there's one this side just here as well. Let me zoom in a little bit. There you go, you can see. So 1 tab just there, 1 there, and there's 1 at the bottom here and 1 on the other side as well. So the idea is, without knocking the camera, right, what I'm going to do to make this a bit easier is this panel here, I'm just going to tug it down from inside, if I can get in. Just pops down and you can actually put your hand up inside here. You can see I'm moving the plastic part. Let's just pull the door to. So just applying a little bit of pressure from the underside of it. Very carefully prise one up. Try not to scratch the bodywork of the car, obviously. So if you can't see, Try my best here. Whereas I've got an idea. Okay, I've been and got myself a little pick tool instead of a flathead. Oops, sorry, I keep nudging the camera because of where it's positioned. So now the idea with this little pick tool is I might be able to get in a bit better. Yep, there you go. So if you've got a set of these, come in handy. If not, I'll leave a link in the description so you can pick some up yourself. And that's that bit out. Okay, so you can see the pins I was trying to pull at to get out, plastic clips. Then what you need to do is just clean up. Move the camera again. Just clean up where it all sits around here. I've got some G101 and I do apologise for the wind. Clean this up so you get a nice clean bond with it when you put it back down. There you go. Then what you've got to do next, let's move the camera back a bit. I need a bit more space if I can, just to put my arm through, is put this plastic bit, I put this back in the groove of here. Gonna be careful and use the pick to help pull it back over. Just move the camera a second. I've just relocated the camera. Try to get a better shot on it. And that's that done. And then the same as you did on the other side, put some mastic. Let me try between this lip here and this lip here, so there's like a groove here. Okay, so just fill that with a bead of mastic, and that should do it. No, let's do that. Like you can see where this has started popping at the bottom. So this will definitely be going in the bin when I'm done with it. So let's try and just like that, be fine. Obviously spin it around and try and finish the other side. There's a gap there, you can just see it. There you go. Then just click it back into place. And you, like I said, lucky for me, the car's black, so it don't matter too much. That's why I chose black mastic or gasket seal or whatever it's called. Okay, now I'm just going to use my finger to wipe around the edge, help seal it all up best as I can. Can't really get down the side there. But that's it. But that should stop the water seeping in. So click this back up in a minute. But the car does need a good clean up across the top there, doesn't it? So now that's all done, should be alright. Needs a real good clean up along here. That side, look, you can see where I've cleaned it up down here to do this job. It is fiddly getting the part out. So the plastic clip bit, as you can see, helps. Just pull this trim down, put it up. If you've got, like I say, if you've got a set of these, it will help. If not, you can do it with a flathead screwdriver. Just get some mastic or some of this. This is what I grabbed hold of. A bit of G101 to help clean it up. But if you discover that there's water getting into your boot areas around here, or in my case, let me come around and show you. Remember, I had all water down here in this area under the carpet and stuff, and when I lifted the seat up, there was all damp and water there, and there was water getting all in around this area. So pugs. Who loves pugs? Let me know in the comment. But once that all sets and goes off, that should be fine. All good. So let's tidy up, put everything away, close the boot lid down, put this panel back, and I'll see you in the garage in a second. So there it is, guys, another video done, another project done on the car, on the Mk4. Last winter, when the problem was there, it was too wet and horrible to stand outside and actually do that and try and source where the problem was coming from. But summer kicked in, I didn't worry about it. It went to the back of my mind. I thought I'll do it one day when I can, and before you know it, we're back into the winter months now. So I thought, get it done before it gets too bad. And between the last winter and now, James actually bought himself a Mk4 and had the same problem and sorted it out quite quickly, and so it saved me a headache seeing his video trying to source out how to do it. So I've just done the same repair. So I thought I'd show you that I did get it done in the end. Hopefully it sorts the problem out. So until the next video, which should be the bonnet release catch cable. So as always, if you're a new viewer, and I know there's plenty of people out there that do watch these videos that are not subscribed, but if you subscribe, it helps the channel grow and it helps me out as well. So please consider hitting that subscribe button down here and leaving a like as well. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to do hit that subscribe button for future content. And we got a ST video coming up soon, and the logo in the background here. Quite pleased with that, actually, the way that come out. So I've rabbited on enough, I feel. Let me end the video, and I'm going to crack on with the next job. See you later. Bye for now.